What's up guys, Pete from Rockville here, and today we're gonna unbox the RPW20. Let's check it out. Alright. Okay. So this is a wall mount PA bracket. Comes with two of them. Alright, so this is what they look like. And in here we got a little mounting template. We've got a warranty card. All Rockville products come with a 1-year warranty. Alright. We got another one of these. Okay. So here we go. There's our two wall mount PA brackets. They both come with these in the bag. And then we got our assembly parts. So we've got two of these which mount in here. So they each come with one of those. These are all the parts for installing the wall brackets. We've got a little wrench. We've got a drill bit. And then we've got all the screws, the nuts, the washers, and the plastic anchors for mounting these in concrete. Alright, this has been the unboxing of the RPW20. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.